Namaskar to everybody. Today we will solve from Math Ncert chapter number 2, exercise 2.3. Okay. Page number 42, question number 2 to 5. That means this chapter is depends on fraction. Represent a fraction on a diagram, ascending, descending order, different operation on fraction, addition, subtraction, multiplication. Okay, ascending order, descending order, change from one fraction to another fraction. Everybody open your copy and book, page number 42. There have the problems on the basis of multiplication. Multiplication of fraction. At first listen to me. In general, multiplications are done, suppose 5 into 6. So 5 6 are 30. Now, if in case of fraction, what will happen? Suppose 5 divided by 7 into 6 divided by 11. So what will happen? Just multiply the denominator with denominator. 77. It was just like two whole numbers or two natural numbers. So in case of fraction, just like that. Okay. And suppose after multiplying or before multiplying, if any numerators can be reduced with the denominators, then you can do. I am giving another example. That means actually fraction of multiplication of fraction means multiple with numerator with numerator, multiple denominator with denominator. 5 divided by 11 into 3 divided by suppose 7. Now what is the actual procedure? Multiple numerator with numerator. So 5 into 3, then write 11 into 7, denominator with 0. After multiplying this fact, after converting this fact, if there are any common factor that you can reduce. Okay. Now go to the exercise. Exercise 2.3, question number 2. I am solving 2 or 3 from each question number. Then you will solve the others at your home. Number 2, Roman 1, 2/3. Multiple 2 and 2/3. Look very carefully. These fractions are different types. It is proper fraction, it is mixed fraction. So at first, you will convert the mixed fraction into an improper fraction. What is the procedure? Whole number into denominator plus numerator. So 2 3 is 6 to 8 divided by 3. Okay, 8 divided by 3. And look very carefully. 2/3 and 8 divided by 3. No factors, no common factors are there between numerator and denominator. So just you multiply 8 to the 16 divided by 9. You can change into a mixed fraction. You can change into a mixed fraction. So 9 to under 9, 7 by 9. 9 under 9 plus 7, 16 divided by 9. Okay, that means this was improper fraction. You divide the numerator by the denominator. A whole number will be appear that can be written as in this position, and the remainder will go to the numerator and denominator will be denominator. Okay. Next, question number next, V double I. VII. That means question number 7. 4 divided by 5 into 12 divided by 7. Have there any common factors between numerator and denominator? Have there any common factors between numerator and denominator? No common factor. So multiple 4 into 12, 5 into 7. It is an improper fraction. Now change 35 1 to 35, then 13 by 35. Okay, so this is the main procedure of multiplication of fraction between two proper fraction, within a proper fraction or a mixed fraction or an improper fraction or a whole number. Next, go to the question number 3. Go to the question number 3. Question number 3, Roman 2. 6 and 2/5. 6 and 2/5. 6 whole number, 2/5. That means 2 part out of 5 equal division. 6 and 2/5 multiple 7 divided by 9. So at first convert the mixed fraction into an improper fraction. 6 5 is 30 plus 2, 32 divided by 5 into 7 divided by 9. Is there any common factor between the numerator and denominator? No common factors are there. So multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. 7 32 jar, 7 2 jar 14, 1, 7 3 jar 21, 22, 5 9 jar 45. Now convert into mixed fraction. Okay, or you may not change. No number will be deducted. Next, I am going to the question number VI, that is quite difference. Quite different means there have a mixed fraction and multiple with a whole number. So 2 and 3/5, 2 and 3/5 multiple 3. Always think this is a whole number, but it is always in the numerator. There have denominator means 1. Okay, sometimes so many students think that it is in the lower portion. No, it is in the upper portion. That means it functions as numerator. So change into improper fraction at first. 5 2s are 10 3s are 13 divided by 5 into 3 divided by 3. That means 3 divided by 1. 3 13 are 39 divided by 5. 5 7s are 4 5. 5 7s are 35, 4 39 divided by 5. Okay, next I am going to the question number 4. The question is quite not totally different than question number 1 and 2. Okay, so look very carefully. Question number 4 is totally different. There I have given two fraction. Suppose 2 divided by 7 and 3 divided by 4. What is the question? The question is which is greater? In general, when we observe, when we see two like fractions, then you can identify this is greater, this is smaller. Suppose I am giving another example. Suppose if it was 2 by 7 and 3 by 7. You can obviously understand 2 by 7 is smaller, 3 by 7 is greater. But in case of there was like fraction, their denominators are equal. But in case of unlike fractions, what are unlike fractions? The fractions containing different denominator. So how will you find that it is greater or it is greater? So at first you have to convert a like fraction. You have to convert into a like fraction. So to convert any fractions or more fractions, always be their denominator should be same. So there are 7, there are 4. Now, how will you convert into like fraction? Suppose here is 7, there is 4. So if you multiply this fraction by 4 and also you will multiply this fraction by 7, automatically their denominator will be equal. Now 2 divided by 7, multiply in both, not only denominator. Okay, by 4 by 4. 8 divided by 24. Next, 3 divided by 4. There was 7 in the denominator. There was 7 in the denominator. Okay, so 7 into 7, that means 21 divided by 28. Now it is 8 by 28, it is 21 by 28. So which is greater? That means 3 by 4 is greater. Understand? So this is the technique to convert to unlike fraction into like fraction. You may solve in this way. At first, find the LCM of the 4 and 7 denominator 28. Multiply by 28 both fraction. You will get two whole numbers. Two whole number means 8 and 21. You can do it. Okay. Next. Next question is quite different from that question, from the previous question. Suppose the question is, suppose question number 2. There is the question in another way. Okay, I have skipped the question number 1. I have compared only 2 by 7 and 3 by 4, but the question was not exact. Okay, but I am doing the question number 2. Half of 6, 7. So what is the actual value? Half into 6, 7. Okay. So 2 3s are 6. There are common factor. 2 3s are 6. So what is the value of the actual value? 3 7. Okay. This is, and that is another 2/3 of 3 7. Now 2/3 of means multiple 3 7. 3 3. That means reducing 2 by 7. Now, both are like fractions. Both are like fractions. Okay. So, which is greater? 3 by 7. From where it is come? 1 by 2 of 6 by 7 is greater. The first question was just like that. But I have skipped. Only I have compared 2 by 7 and 3 by 4. That is also the question may be this kind of. Which is greater? 2 by 7 or 3 by 4. Okay, next there have some word problems. There have some word problems from question number 5 to 8. Now today I will solve only question number 5 because I have said question 2 to 5. I will solve the others in the another classes. Okay. Done everybody? Next, question number 5, only the word problem. Question number 5. What is the question? There is a word problem. Soily plants 4 saplings in a row in her garden. The distance between two adjacent saplings 3 by 4. Find the distance between the first and the last sapling. He plants 4 saplings. How many saplings? 4 saplings. Sapling means small plant. Okay, small plant. Suppose this is one sapling, another sapling, another sapling, another sapling. How many saplings are there? How many saplings are there? 4 saplings. Okay, it looks like that sapling. Okay, now Soily plants 4 saplings in a row in her garden. The distance between two adjacent saplings. The distance between two adjacent saplings, that is 3 by 4 meter. 3 by 4 meter. Find the distance between the first and last. First and last. So it is 3 by 4. It is 3 by 4. It is 3 by 4. Okay. It is 3 by 4. 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 And it is also 3 by 4. What is the main? The distance between two adjacent. between 2 3 by 4th meter, between 2 3 by 4th meter, between 2 3 by 4th meter. So how many saplings are there? 1 2 3 4, but distance 1 2 3, distance 1 2 3. Okay, so how will you solve? Find the distance between the first and the last saplings. First and last saplings. So how many distance are there? There are 3 distance actually. Actually there are 3 distance. Two and 1/4 meter. Okay, 2 and 1/4 meter. How it is possible? 2 and 1/4. Look very carefully. 2 and 1/4. This is the first sapling. This is the second sapling. From where it is starting? So how many saplings are there? 4 saplings. Okay, so 4 saplings. And distance only 1, 2, 3. The distance between 2 saplings are given. The distance between 2 saplings are given. From this sapling, from to this sapling, 3 by 4, 3 by 4, 3 by 4. But actually, there are 3 distance. If you do not write, there are no mistakes. Okay. So the answer will be 2 and 1/4 meter. So how will it be solved? Just you will go to the exercise and try to solve. To the next day, this is your home assignment. Okay. Try to think. How many saplings? 1, 2, 3, 4. The distance are only 1, 2, 3 distance. Suppose the distance between Dullopur to Bankura 30 kilometer. After 150 meter, an electric pole is given. So how many poles will be needed? You will divide 30 kilometer, that means 30,000 meter by 150 or 120. 120, you will get something. Suppose you will get 40. But the pole will be needed plus 1. Why? How many distance? 1, 2, 3 distance. But saplings are needed 4. So there the answer is hidden. Okay? So you will solve. Then you will not be able to solve. Then I will solve tomorrow. Okay? Thank you.